Hey guys, I'm Whitney. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to assemble the Earthwise tiller slash cultivator.
Okay, so this all right here is our upper handle section. That's number one. Then we have number two, which is our ball wire, which is this green thing here. And then moving on to number three, we have our switch box and cable, which is here. Try to turn it on and off.
Okay, so our clip cables are these right here. Alright, so you should have two of those. And then our cord retainer is number 5, and that is this thing right here. Next we have our wing nut, which are these 4 things right here. Then after that, which would be number 7, is our J-bolts, which are these right here. And then we have number 8, which is our center handle section, this thing right here. Then obviously we have the wheels and the hubcaps. So here is our wheel lock pin. Obviously this is the motor house, and this is the protective shield. And then you have your blades. So for step 1, we're going to remove the screws and washers from each end of the wheel frame axle. The other part of step 1 is taking your wheels. Well, obviously you're gonna have to take off the hubcaps. Let's see. Get your wheels on the axle. So get your screw and your washer. Next step, number 3. Okay, so you're gonna push that there, okay? Okay, so now you're going to pull this lock pin right here. And the wheel should fall. And then it'll shoot right into that little hole. All right, so step number 4 is taking this right here and sliding it onto your center handle, which it doesn't matter which way you do it. It doesn't. So we're going to want to attach this. Okay, so from here you're gonna want to get your J-bolt and also the little wing nut. Now you're gonna put your J-bolt, make sure you put the screw part down at the bottom. And the hook, it goes at the top. All right, now you're gonna want your wing nut, obviously, and you're gonna screw that on. Same thing with this. Bottom is the screw. Okay, so you can screw it together. Okay, so the next step, we're gonna wanna grab this top handle here. So, coming back to this, make sure this is in the center and not on the sides. That's not gonna do you any good if it's there. Okay, so you're gonna wanna take your J-bolt and your wing nut. Again, you want the screw on the bottom, the hook part on top.
So next you're gonna wanna get your cord clip. You're gonna wanna clip one right up here and right down here. I do wanna inform you that this tiller comes with 2 extra bolts and 2 extra nuts. If you do want to use the nuts and bolts instead, or you're expanding or you're taking off, whatever, I'm gonna take this out. Obviously, put that in there. If you follow these steps, it should look like just watch these 2 extra nuts and bolts be essential pieces to the tiller and not just extra pieces. That would suck. But these, I am certain they're actually, you know, just extras because it actually says it in the instruction manual that they're extras. So yeah, so you can just like put them in your junk drawer or just like place them somewhere and, you know, lose them. That's what I'm gonna do. If you liked this video and found it useful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys.